Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install the Zalando app on your device. Now if you want to install the Zalando app on your device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to install the Zalando app, you may simply open App Store or Play Store on your device. So simply open the App Store. So this is the App Store homepage where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. So click on the option of search and there you may simply search it Zalando, which stands for Zalando. Now click on the option of search and it takes you to the page where you'll see the option like Zalando, launched by Zalando and all. So click on it. So here you'll see the option of get, which is highlighted on blue. So click on the option of get, and if you're installing for the first time, it asks you to verify yourself. So you may simply double tap on the power button and after that you may click on the option of install. So it automatically verifies on my, as you can see, the download process has started. That's it. That's how you can install the Zalando app on a device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.